2014 Chevy Captiva, I don't know what to call it. Another cabin. Every time I do an oil filter change, I try to check the cabins, depending on how easy they are to get to. This one's a little more difficult. It's like a Chevy truck. 3 screws on top, 3 screws on the bottom. And you just gotta pull it apart. And it's right behind there. Alright, it's out. Now we get to see the filter itself. Click, click. Yeah. Let's pull it out, see what it looks like. As usual, I'm going to have to drop the blower motor because I hear things falling. That is the one I did the other day. Do you realize you're breathing all this in? Which is why I try to check them when I can, because nobody realizes they have these in their car. Nasty. Alright, let's drop the blower motor. Not too bad. Seen worse. Now I gotta blow everything out from in there. Clean that out. I'm blowing out. Clean. We got a nice new clean cabin. Give me a sec. Click. And done.